the do's and don'ts of cleaning and caring for wooden furniture. Welcome to our FastKlean channel. Check out our videos. You'll surely find something useful for your day-to-day life. We've pulled together some of our best household cleaning tips and tricks to help you get a spotless home. Having wooden furniture is not all about just experiencing the benefits of it, however. It comes with specific requirements for cleaning and care, which you will do well to learn more about. Unfortunately, having wooden furniture is not all about just experiencing the benefits of it, however. It comes with specific requirements for cleaning and care, which you will do well to learn more about. Unfortunately, you must include cleaning of wooden furniture on your home cleaning to-do list, and you need to know how to do it right. Following is a rundown of some do's and don'ts ts when it comes to wooden furniture care that you will do well to adopt. Do learn the type of wood of your furniture. Having that knowledge makes quite a big part of proper maintenance. Only then can you pick your cleaning products right and avoid the solutions that do not work. Do use soft material when wiping the wooden surface. Wooden furniture often comes with a finish that is prone to scratches. If you are not careful, you can quickly ruin the finish and the look of the furniture. This concerns what you are cleaning with. Resort only to soft microfiber cloths like the reusable bamboo cotton cleaning cloth that are slightly damp. Alternatively, you can use your vacuum's soft brush attachment or a feather duster, if you don't have a microfiber cloth at hand, or buying the reusable bamboo cotton cleaning cloth. Don't use random cleaning solutions. When it comes to wooden furniture items, you need to be very careful of what you spray on them during cleaning. You cannot just use any solution, especially if it's not specially formulated. Always read the label of the product and make sure it is designed to do the job right. To be 100% certain, you can test the solution on a small area of the wooden furniture piece, preferably somewhere hidden from sight. If there is no discoloration or another sort of damage, feel free to continue. If you like our video so far, press the like button to let us know, and please subscribe to our channel to be updated with our new FastKlean videos. Do polish furniture for added protection. Furniture polish can seal the surface and save it from scratches and stains. You should apply furniture polish, as that not only keeps the material safe but also provides a better look. However, keep in mind you shouldn't do this more than 2 times a year. If you have antique wooden furniture, you may want to consult with an expert first, before you apply any wax or polish on it. Do wipe furniture thoroughly every so often. Wooden furniture surfaces, like any other surface in your home, will attract dust over time. It is up to you to clean it regularly by using the methods above. Don't put glasses and mugs without coasters. Water rings on the wooden material can cause some nasty stains, so make sure you watch out. Put coasters underneath cups and glasses to prevent such issues. Knowing these do's and don'ts about wooden furniture will surely help you out immensely. Following them has the potential to extend the life of your furniture big time. Watch our other cleaning videos below and find out cleaning tips every property owner needs to know. Feel free to share our videos with other people, including your friends and family, so they'll get to know the best ways to improve their way of living. Let us know what you think about this video. Don't hesitate to drop a comment below and subscribe to our channel. Check the description below to see our favorite products. Visit our website fastklean.co.uk for more ideas. Also, we would like to invite you to join our online seminars to learn more about keeping your home clean and tidy. Choose your date in the description below.